Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abatement. 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 Abatement is a noun that refers to the act of reducing or lessening something, typically a problem, a nuisance, or a force, to make it more tolerable or manageable. It can also refer to a decrease or reduction in intensity, amount, or degree. Examples. The city implemented a noise abatement program to reduce the sound from construction sites. In this sentence, abatement is used to describe the action of reducing noise to make it less of a problem. The tax abatement policy attracted new businesses to the area. Here, abatement refers to a reduction or exemption from taxes to encourage economic growth. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.